and the smooth richness of coconut. These ingredients, while delightful on their own, come together in a way that speak volume about beauty of life itself. Now let's talk about the orange. Bright citrus fruit represents the zest and energy that Malolos brings into a life. Just like an orange, bursts with refreshing flavor, her presence fills our day with laughter, warmth, and a sense of boundless possibility. Like an orange, she radiates a positivity and a natural charm that lights up the air. Now for my orange ingredients, I use vodka. It's a neutral spirit. Grand Marnier. It will improve the orange tone into our cocktail. As we all know, this liqueur is made with orange, right? Mandarin orange, a different from a regular orange and a strong citrus note. Mandarin orange is much sweeter, brightly acidic, and a slightly vanilla note. Now let's talk about the coconut. For my coconut ingredients, I use Hunan coconut syrup. To represent the coconut, it symbolizes the depth and the strength that Madonna possesses. The coconut now gives clear eyes a treasure trove of creamy richness inside, much like Madonna represents an inner beauty. She has taught me that true strength lies not only in richness, but also the ability to adapt and thrive in any situation. And now for the exciting part, the shade. Can you give me a round of applause to boost my confidence? Thank you.
Minus points.
And for the final part, grenadine. So to raise our glasses tonight, let's call the orange blend and a coconut cocktail that embodies the spirit of my daughter. May it remind us all to savor life's flavors, celebrating its contrast and cherish the loved ones we reach our birth. Saligaya's Cup. Thank you for listening, guys. Walang kayo. So, do you have any question, guys? Ano di ba free case din? Hi, ma'am.
Alright, so napunta na nato ang atong bartending and then ang cocktail mix ng ating Sir Giselle. Sa ngalan pa lang, kabalo na ganang imong mama nga Giselle, na lahat sa imong name because you will be concocting different juices na ingani na dayon ang ending. Diba, Giselle? Anyway, are there any questions from our audience this afternoon? From Jeff Lipunhay, is for natin question, Sir Jeff.
Hello, Giselle.
Hi, sir.
First of all, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Yeah, just one question regarding the fizz. You said a while ago, since your drink is a fizz, you shouldn't use ice. So can you expound more?
Because this coming from don't use ice. Kapatid mo sa mga sparkling wines. So they use this one because hindi na siya kung ice, kaya dito na siya. So the sparkling wine always treated. So hindi na siya kailangan ng ice.
Thank you.
So with the ice, also, malahing ba ang lasa ng ice?
Yan po mga malulit niya ang kuwan niya. So mas better siya is chill glass and chill drink.
Chilled glass and chilled drink.
Yes, no.
Para nga ma-avoid na natin naman ng ice, para maimapunaw ang ating drink.
Yes, no.
Because usually, when we say cocktail, dapat punaw mo siya. O you not drink it at a room temperature.
Yes.
So, ang trick we have to share ni Sir Giselle here with us is either chill your wine glasses or to chill your wines.
Yes, po.
Spirits or
Yeah.
liquors mismo, chill na pwede mo siya i-mix with your juices. Or pag yung juices, pwede na i-chill na lang yung daan.
Mas better yun siya yung chill dito.
So, are there any more questions from our audience? Yes, ma'am, in white.
What's the difference classic cocktail and modern?
Ulit natin natin diba? Yung classic way is pinakauna. So na history. Sa modern tayo, mo nagigitawag na innovation. So nakatugay sa ito, sa pag-tugay kung kalimutan na ito, ang classic is mag-maintain si classic, pero imuan siya o example. So how to make your cocktail? Innovate it to be new. How an example, margarita. So margarita is tequila, lime, triple sec, or any sugar syrup. But in the modern day, they use the spicy margarita. So they bring the spice to the sour mix. So modern different nila, classic yung modern innovation.
So in short, naa siya fusion na nakita mo,
Fusion, yes.
Sir Giselle. As time goes by, nailain naman sa dapat na ingredients na gagawas in the market para sa ating mga bartenders.
Yes.
Sa una, I can still remember pag mag-inom tumak lang ito, wala nailain. Isa lang yung nila dito sa lamisa, mao na to, ice layo.
Ice layo.
Pero karon makita na to sa ilain na ang atong mga drinks na pwede magbuhat with the different juices and the different kanang lain-lain na mga mixes available in the market, which answers the question na ang modern day cocktails are already fusion cocktails.
Yes.
Sakto ba ito na
Sakto man.
pagka-explain, Sir Giselle? Okay, another question. Yes, dying black. So, kung ini mga manginginom sa kagayang ito.
Hello, sir. Hi, sir.
From West Malaysia. My question is, as students and as aspiring bartenders, sa yung mahatag natin sa for competitive bartending.
Importante yung bilis natin dito. Hindi ka siya magkuha sa imo ang ating. Utang itawag na po na 5 principles. Lalaki ito tanan ng imong guidance how to live. So, kung imo itong i-achieve ka na, lang sa perspective mo ito, magpagit mo ang competition. Like, kung mag-compete mo ka, hindi ito studies. Kaya naman sa mga standard, how to make a cocktail. Hindi lang sa pag-chill, hindi lang sa pag-steer, hindi lang mag-safety. Standard guys, lahong mo i-get bartending.
And you,
And if I may add, Sir Giselle, itong iyong isulting attitude, kagalina, is very important. Like example, should you make a mistake during competition, di man malikaya isa, may mahulog pa either ang imong spoon, ang imong stirring materials, or whatever, dili mataranta. Composure at its finest dapat. If you already studied your subject very well, isang pag na ay mga panahon na bilis, kagamay, simang kagamay, na inahulog ang importante. If you know what you're doing, you can literally just jump in and pick it up back again, do your game again, just like nothing ever happened. Smile. Mataranta ka, it show in your face, mura naghapon mo gisulti sa judge na, ako'y wala ko mabaloon sa next na mong buhaton. Kaya nakita, na-subtitle na tanan sa imong dagway. Wala gisulti sa imong backpack.
Pero nanay subtitle.
So, it's very important to maintain composure. Mo na tong attitude ng kasabot ni Sir Giselle. So, saan po ba ito mapag-explain?
Yes, po ma'am. Sakto din ma'am.
Okay, another question from our audience, please. Yes, sir.
Hello po, Sir Joe. By the way, congratulations again. Okay, so my question is all about the last thing you put in the one in the champagne glass.
Yes po.
You said it is carbonated, right?
Yes po.
I just want to ask the process and how you made that moving carbonated. I think pineapple and pineapple. Thank you.
So, how I make my carbonated pineapple, I use the whip gun. The whip gun, ano siya yung develop sa buwan ko siya. It's tuo ba na? Yan, turner ito to make a piece, to make a carbonated drink. So, innovation na yan na dyan. So, natawag rin siya bartending to make solo drink.
Okay, last question from our audience. Last na lang din daw. Kay pagkahuman, ipatiyaw na ni Sir Giselle ang iyang mga concoction sa iyang mga cocktails. Sa iyang mga modern cocktails. Si Ma'am PLE, dili daw siya mga question kay bawal daw ang mga drinks sa pang-high school. So, dili lang po sa mga mature crowd. Naligid, one last question para kay Sir Giselle before he wraps things up. So any other one, last minute, last wrap-up tips
Yes.
para sa ating aspiring marketers, especially yung mga gusto ng competition na umaabot October 15.
Naglalak yung bartender, dilig na ito. Like, wala na tigatago, wala na sigulong na. Kami itong partner, hindi mo naman, we're hopping din. So, nag-hopping ako, tanay ng mga bartender, nag-hopping ako sila, hopping ako vacation, nangina, is maulaw sila. So, ang bartending is na Cagayan, is wala ko yung hinipulong dito. Kung hindi pa nila i-showcase nila mga talents na sunod yung maulaw nila. So, karon, pag competition sa kumira, one thing nyo lang i-showing nyo ang talent nito. Kaya kamo lang yakon ang may namang sa inyo. Promise to, pag ako pinakatuan na, dagat na kayo mga oh yes po, dagat ng business, like PMK, dagat mo yung mga achievements. Kaya madala pa din nila sa lahat ng lugar. So, marag pa, investment din sa mga linggo.
So, mo na ang mabuhat sa kultura. Ma-showcase nato ang lain-lain, hidden talents sa atong mga bartenders here in CDO. Maybe you still do not have that confidence, bar expertise through a live demonstration of his award-winning cocktail drink on the occasion of Malapong Food Festival to be conducted on August 16, 2025 at the Rotonda of Limcacay Mall, Cagayan de Oro City. Given the 16th day of August 2025 in Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines, signed President Mr. Jerome de la Fuente. And in behalf of the IPP or Immediate Past President Jeff Lincon. So picture. Thank you so much, Sir Giselle. And then we would like to call in itong mga nag-ask of questions to please join us here on stage para mag-claim ninyo ang inyong prize and then mga-photo op also with our champion bartender. So inuna na yun daw dapat kailangan ilawan sa among buhat. Ako di ay nakanin ko yung question para ako yun ang last na preview sa ako yun pa yun. Requirement ba na maayo usayaw ang bartender? Pakito ba?
Oh, required!
Sir Ayan,